Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're starting it off as usual with Dixie on a daily time frame. As you can see, the pullback that I've been looking and waiting for the last couple of weeks has finally come in. We have tested into that 104.50 area, basically right above it, 105. Shows even more bullishness. The issue is we are trapped underneath this blue midline of the weekly channel. So if this week we can close the daily above this level here at 104, or sorry, 105.75, we can start to actually look to test back into 106.50, claim that area, and then go into 108 and above by taking out all the liquidity above this level right here, where a bunch of people probably have shorted, but they're going to get a rude awakening due to the fact that this is a bull flag. If you can see this bull flag setting up for the break up above to back into that 109 area that we actually broke. It's actually 112 is the actual golden pocket that needs to be defended. You can see that this level I had marked off as resistance because of this previous high. And then this level is marked up as this was the original short for all the people who shorted Dixie all the way down to this $101 level. The short started at 112. They closed at 100, reversed that into an accumulation at the 100 to 99. And now the target was this 106 to 108. We just tapped into it. But the thing is that, in my opinion, when I look at higher time frames, this was the accumulation time right here. So institutions, central banks, people who control currencies were already managing their country's currency by accumulating Dixie against their currency in that basket. And now that they have accumulated, it's time to mark up the price. This was that Wyckoff accumulation. And now you can see we already did the one first impulse. We're doing our consolidation. If you are a Elliott wave guy, this is just wave one. This is wave two. We are about to kick off wave three, which is usually the second largest impulse. And then wave five will be like the big shebang. So if we get wave three to like 112 and wave four is a pullback to 108, I'm assuming wave five is going to go blow right past this 112, and we're going to start going into the targets of that. I think it was like 125. Pull it up just so you see uh, what I'm talking about. And if you are following my trading plan with Dixie, you can understand that this is going to put pressure, downside pressure on a lot of assets moving forward. I'm actually short on Pepe for the last couple days, trying to capitalize on this move downside. And I took some day morning, and I've been taking profit along the ride. I even took some profit as I'm telling you. I'm taking profit. I literally just closed half of my trade and short because the 4 hour candle is about to close, and due to daylight savings, um, it's an hour difference. So please do make sure you're watching where that candle closes. Here's the target that I have right here, this orange circle. It's like, I think, 125. Try to drag this down so you guys can see. I'm not just pulling these numbers out of my butt. It's all technical analysis. This was our first rejection right here, that 114.74, and it came from the actual low. And the 112 was a golden pocket for the shorts to continue down. So that's why that happened. This 114 to 125 target comes from the low from like years ago. If I can zoom out of this without lag, I can show you that golden pockets right here. That's not good. It's lower. This was the large accumulation that happened in '08. I might have to go to 3 month chart, show you guys talking about. These horizontal blue lines are fib times. They don't matter for you guys. I was testing a theory of pivots, and that's why I had the fib time to see if I can see, like, each fib time, there's upside. See, upside. Just here, just look at it yourself, make your own conclusion. this is when I was like very new to TA, so I'm kind of like trying to figure it out what's going on. So this top over here at 150 is where the golden pocket short came in, and that's what gave you the target of 125 to 114 for you to stop the drop. The drop went to that level and extended down to this lower area. This lower area gave the golden pocket of $82. This is why we wanted to accumulate this level all the way from 82 to 134 to 150. We didn't get to 134. We stopped at 125, which was the fib target from the golden pocket. Accumulating over here from 114 to 125, it'll give you the target to come back into that 150 area. So this is the larger 3-month accumulation zone. We are still under it, so it's still a good buying opportunity. But from this 82 low, the golden pocket low, it's telling you the target's 134 to 150. So no matter what, we're trying to get back to 134 to 150. This 125 area is our possible resistance, second lower high. But coming into this level, we're just going to probably pull back down to like here, 104.50. We're not supposed to go too much lower than this level. We should be accumulating here if I'm right, and we should be going quickly past this 114 to 125 area. People are probably not going to be ready for it. It is going to destroy tech stocks. It is going to destroy crypto. It is going to destroy other countries who have not gotten their currency properly adjusted. You do see that we're looking for a little bit of a pullback here on the 3-month, but the fact that we're sitting on the EMA support, I am very suspicious of this to go lower if we can't break under 104. If we're holding above 104, I will tell you guys that by the end of this quarter, when January starts, we should be looking for this to go up, not looking for that downside. And that's just my opinion. You guys know that I have had like the opposite side opinion on Dixie for the last like year or two. When everyone was looking for lower, I was the only motherfucker saying we're going up to at least 112. 112 was what I'm looking for, and I'm gonna hold on to that target, and I will probably pat myself on the back once we are above 108.50, because then I know that 112 and 125, 150 is coming in. That's the only reason I'm making this video, so you guys are aware of the Dixie situation. All right, so I'm done harping on Dixie, turning off all the drawings. You guys don't need all that. We're going to go to clean TAs now. Okay, now you can see right here, fudge. I showed you that there's a resistance right where we're at, and we can have a pullback, right, on the quarterly chart for Dixie. And you can see this right here, the support was accumulated. We're coming back over here. If we can't actually continue up and go into this 108, whatever, you can assume that we are going to sweep the liquidity back into this low and come test under 100, right? This little order block is your risk management area. This was a little triangle bull flag setup that actually broke to the top side. Now, if this thing just starts legging, making 3 legs, you know, this is the first, like say this is the start of your Elliott wave count. Here's your 1, you can do 2, then comes 3, 4, 5. I'm looking for 5 to come test this high, all the way at like 115. And we can see the battle come over there. If it comes all the way to here, like 115, whatever, I can look for a pullback to maybe like 110, maybe 108, but that's about it. I'll be looking for that to be accumulated and then start breaking back up above 112 to 120. That's what's going to catch everyone off guard. Like, you're not looking at the 3 bullish divergence drives over here. You're not looking at how much been accumulated here. You're not looking at this wick showing you, hey, there is a buyer defending this previous order block, these wicks. You see all this whole freaking order block right here, this huge order block right here. If you draw a big ass square right here, okay, from this low to this top, you should be drawing your fib from that top to that bottom, and it will give you a target over here as to where you should be going. All right, and that's the gist of that. I'm done. Dixie, I can go on forever, but nobody gives a shit. So that was our 10-minute video on Dixie. And you know what, guys? I'm going to just leave it off right there. I don't want to talk about Bitcoin or ETH or Pepe. I will do that for the members. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown of my thoughts on Dixie. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you are interested in members and trading with us live, feel free to join. The link to the members Discord is in the description of the video below. If you have any troubles, message me and I'll make sure you get a fresh link so you can join. Please feel free to look at our affiliate section, our announcements. It's in the description of the video below. They will have all the links to all the things that I am using, like Twitter, Discord, kind of leaned off Telegram, our YouTube channel. Just feel free to like peruse, and anything you use will help us grow. So thank you so much. And yeah, other than that, guys,